Wanna know how did I do that? Let's learn it. Left or right mid formulas are the most important formulas in MS Excel. For example, if here is the text, you want to get the last two or three names, or the if you want to get last three or two letters, or from the mid or from the right side, so what would you do? For doing that, you have to use these formulas which I'm gonna teach you. For left formula, press is equal to and right, left, and then select your text. After that, give the comma num chart. So what does it mean? It means from the left side how many letters you want. For example, I want 4 letters. So what would I do? Just press on the 4 from your keyboard and then hit enter button. You will see from left side from this text we have gotten 4 letters. And then on the same way we want 3 letters or 4 letters from the right side. What would we do? Just use the right formula like previous one, and then right, select your text, and then again comma from the right side how many characters do we want. I want 3 characters, okay, and then press enter. Now you will see after that from the mid, again use the mid formula like this, and then select your text. Now it is somehow complicated. They're asking us from start num and num charts. It means from where to start to get the letters, and how many letters do we want. So what if I want from this KIST? So what would I do? In start num I'll write 3, and in num charts I'll write 4. So it means from K 3 has to start, and 4 letters we want KIST, okay, and then hit enter button. You will see what, and then click on this for all, and then join the letters. How can we join them? I'm gonna tell you easily. If you want to use the another formula in this to join these cells, so you'll have to use the concatenate formula. It is very powerful whenever you want to connect some cells with each other in one cell or in one column. So you can easily use this formula. Text 1 is this, and then press comma. Text 2 is this, text 3 is this. No, if I do it, what will happen? Do you know? The formula will work correctly, but our cell, our text won't be correct. So press enter. Are you focusing on it? It's very bad. We cannot accept this, because why? Again, use the concatenate formula, and then text first is this, second is this, okay, and the third is this. And this you'll see something which you have not expected. Hit enter button. What? For concatenating, your cells should be correct. Now if I see here is the PAKI, and then again here is the KIST. That's why these are not good. And then here again I want to give you another example of concatenate formula, that what you can do with it. So first of all I want to write again, okay, and then this, and then now if I get the another one, now use the concatenate formula. Now text 1 is this, and text 2 is this. Now see, it completely depends on the cells, that in cells which type of text is, which type of letters are. Concatenate doesn't matter which are those, just concatenate gathers the text from the cells into one column or one cell. So like this way you can easily use these formulas in your data for better result. So I wanna tell you that our formula series has started on this channel. If you want to learn Excel formulas step by step from basic to advanced, so please click on the I button and go to the playlist and watch formulas if you want to learn. Otherwise, go ahead. Thank you to all of you watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos and more tricks and clicks and more information about the Microsoft Office